Hello friends, welcome back to Study Smart, where you discover the joy of learning. So as we all know, the Minerva exams is about to start, and so we will be discussing some sample question papers for class 3, and today we will be discussing about the subject maths. Okay, so let's start. As you all know, first there will be some questions for logical reasoning, and then there will be math questions. Okay, let's start. First we'll see the logical reasoning questions, and let's start with question number 1. Which of the following number will continue the given series? As we can see there, they have given us series. The numbers are 70, 68, 64, 58, 50. So this is a question from patterns. Yes, as you all know, there is a syllabus. In syllabus, this is a question from pattern. So let's see how can we solve it. So as we see from 70 to 68, what is the difference, or how much greater is 70 than 68? As we can see that if you subtract 2 from 70, you get the answer 68. Similarly, from 68 to 64, the subtraction value is minus 4. Okay, 68 to 64. 64 to 58, as we can see that the subtraction value is 6. 64 minus 58 will give us 6. Similarly, from 58 to 50, how much do we subtract? Minus 8. As you can see this, it is increasing, the subtraction value is increasing by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. So naturally from 50 to get the answer question which is there, we have to subtract 10. So 50 minus 10 will give us the answer 0 and 4. So as we can see that the correct answer will be B, 40. Okay, did you understand? Okay, now let's see number 2. The question says the sum of two numbers is 21 and the difference is 1. What are the two numbers? So let's try to solve this question from the given options. One of the condition which is given is sum of the two numbers should be 21 and the difference means if we subtract, their difference will be 1. So let's see the first option, 12. So if we subtract 12 minus 9, what will be the difference? 3. So difference should be 1. So A is not the answer. Similarly, let's check option number B, 15 minus 6. This will give us 9. So difference should be 1. Difference should be 1. So 9. So this is also not the correct answer. Now let's see option number C. Let's first find the difference. 8 subtracted from 9, it's 1. Okay, difference we got as 1. But now let's see the sum. So 9 plus 8. So how much will be 9 plus 8? 17. So the sum must be 21. It fulfilled the first criteria, difference should be 1, but sum should be 21 as it is 17. So this is also not the correct answer. So only one option left. So naturally this is the correct answer. But if we have to see it, let's find out whether it fulfills the two conditions or not. Okay, so first let's see the subtraction one. So 11 minus 10, the value is 1, so difference is fulfilled. And let's see the addition one. The sum should be how much? The sum should be 21. This will give us 21. So option D, the correct answer. Okay, did everyone understand? Okay, let's move on to question number 3. So now the logical reasoning part is over. Now we'll start with mathematics. Okay. Question number 3, it says the number just before 9990 is. So number just before means the number which is before 9990, just before. So you have to subtract minus 1. If we subtract minus 1, what will be the answer? 9989. So if you want to find out 9989, the correct answer will be D. But if you can't do simply, you can just subtract it by 1, like 9990 subtracted by 1. Okay, so 0, 9 will be 8, and we'll get a carryover 1. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. So 8, 9, 9. So the correct answer, option number D. Okay, moving on to question number 4. The sum of the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number. You have to find the sum. Which is the largest 3-digit number? The largest 3-digit number is 9, 9 and 9. Okay. And the smallest 2-digit number, you know, the smallest 2-digit number is 1 and 0, that is 10. And you have to find the sum. Sum means addition. So let's add. So 9 0 will give us 9. 9 1 will give us 10. So carry over 1. So 9 and plus 1 will give us 10. The answer is 1009 or 1009. So the correct option will be number D. Moving on to question number 5. The question is the number system contains dash digits. So the number system contains how many digits? We know the digit starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the digits. So let's count how many digits are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 10 digits. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the number system contains how many digits? So it contains 10 digits. Okay, this is a common sense question. You must all know this answer. No need to do all this part. I'm just showing it to you. So number system contains 10 digits. You should know this part. Okay. So now moving on to question number 6. It says the Roman numeral for 19. So what is the Roman numeral for 19? So I've just included a chart here. As we can see that in Roman numerals 1 is written as 1, you know, 2, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, as we go all the way, 19 is XIX. So let's see. So the Roman numeral for 19 is XIX, as we can see from the chart. So all these things we'll be discussing when we solve topic wise questions according to syllabus. So this is just a sample paper which we are trying to solve and which we have included just to give you the glimpse of what type of question and what is the difficulty level of the questions which will come. Okay, moving on to question number 7. Question number 7 says 99 plus a number will give us 1/110. So 1/110 is 110. So 99 plus which number will give us 1/110? So let's do it. 110, and if we subtract 99, so let's see which is the number. So this will become 0 and this will become 10. 10 plus 10 minus 9 is 1, and this one becomes 0 and this will become 10, so this will become 11. So as we can see that 99 plus 11 will give us 1/110. Okay, another way which you can solve this question is from the options. See, we'll first add 99 added by 9. So if we see 99 plus 9 will give us 8, and 9 plus 1 10, 108, but we require 110, so this is not the correct answer. So moving on to option number B. So 99 plus 10, 9 plus 0 9, and 9 plus 1 10, but we require answer as 110, so this is also not the correct answer. So 11. So if we add 11 to 99, let's see what is the sum. 9 plus 1 10, and 9 10 11, so 110. So option number C is the correct answer. So I have shown you two ways how you can solve this question. So we'll be discussing similar tricks when we will be solving syllabus or topic wise questions. Okay, so moving on to question number 8. Half of 100 and half of 300, and what you have to do, add. Half of 100, so what is the half of 100? So half of 100 is, half of 100 is 50, as you can know. And similarly, half of 300, so half of 300 is 150. Now we have to add. So when we add, 0 and 0 will give us 0, 5 plus 5 will give us 10, and carry over 1, 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So the correct answer will be 200. Okay, this one was an easy one. Now question number 9. Let's see what does it say. A man worked in a factory from February 1st to March 31st. So how many days he worked? So a man is there, he is working in a factory. Okay, so he started to work from February 1st till March 31st. So how many days did he work? So let's see. In February, how many days are there? Let's assume it's a normal year and not a leap year. So in February, as you all know, there is 28 days. Okay, and in March, in 2 months, in March, how many days are there? 31 days. So he worked for 2 months, February and March. So we have to add the number of days. So 8 plus 1 will give us 9. 2 plus 3 will give us 5. So the correct answer will be 59. Did you understand? He worked from February to March. So number of days in February is 28 days, and similarly the number of days in March is 31 days. And so if we add these two days which are written in February, we will get the total days in February and March. So it is 59. So correct answer will be B. Question number 10 says that if you add 568 to me, I will become 700. Who am I? So this type of question which says add 568 to me and I become 700, we'll try to solve this from the options. Okay, first is 132. Let's see. If we add 132 to 568, let's see what will be the sum, because it says you have to add 568 to a number and you have to find that number. So let's see, 8 plus 2 will give us 10. Okay, 0. 6 plus 3 plus 1 will give us a 10. Okay, 5 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 7. So option A is the correct answer. So we got it in one shot. So if you try with other numbers, you will not get the product, we will not get the sum as 700. Okay, you can try to solve it. This is your homework, or you can try it on your own. The next question says divisor is always greater than. You should know that the divisor should be always greater than the remainder. Okay, divisor is always greater than remainder. So the correct answer will be B. Okay, so moving on to question number 12. So the question number 12, my ones digit is 4, my hundredth digit is 5 more than my ones digit, my tenth digit is 2 more than my ones digit, and my thousandth digit is 4 more than my ones digit. Who am I? So now we have to find the number. So let's see one by one. My ones digit is 4. So ones digit is 4. Okay. My hundredth digit is 5 more than my ones digit. So my hundredth digit is 5 more than my ones digit. So ones digit is 4 and it says that it is 5 more than ones digit. So if we add, we'll get the 100 digit number. So 5 plus 4 will give us 9. So its 100 digit number is 9. Third says my 10th digit is 2 more than my ones digit. So 10th says 2 more than my ones digit. So we know that our ones digit is 4 and it says it's 2 more than ones digit. So 2 more than ones digit is 4 plus 2, 6. And my thousands digit is 4 more than my ones digit. So thousand number place is 4 more than my ones digit. So ones digit is 4 as we know, and 4 it is 4 more. So 4 plus 4 will give us 8. Now as we know that the digit is thousand, hundred, tens and ones. Now let's put it in its place. Ones num place it is 4. Tens place it is 6. Hundred place it is 9. And thousand place it is 8. So the number is 8964. So as we can see that is question number C, 8964. Okay, did you understand how to do this? Very well. So question number 13. The two line segments meet at a, the two line segments, let's see the two line segments. So as you can see, this is one line and this is another line. So you can see that the two lines are meeting here at this point. So the two line segments meet at a point. Yes, the two line segments always meet at a point. See this point. Okay, question number 14. Division is a process of repeated subtraction. We should know that division is a process of repeated subtraction. So if we divide 9 by 3, we say 3 3 is a 9 cross. Other method which you can do is 9 minus 3 is 6. Now again we subtract 3 is 3 and again we subtract 3 is 0. So division is the process of repeated subtraction. Now moving on to question number 15. Let's see. Find the answer of 9 plus 9 plus 9 minus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So it's given it's 9 plus 9 plus 9 subtracted 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, now first let's us add these three numbers. 9 plus 9 plus 9 will give us 27. Subtraction, and let's do this one, 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 will give us 18. So now we have to subtract 27 minus 18. So 27 minus 18 will give us 9. The correct answer is 9. Now question number 16. Multiplicand into multiplier is always the product. Multiplicand into multiplier is always the product. Okay, question answer is C. Now moving to question number 17. Question number 17 says, how many weeks are there in 84 days? So what does it say? How many weeks are there in 84 days? So we know that in 1 week we have 7 days. Now 84 days, how many weeks? So let's see. 84 divided by 7. Okay, let's do this. 7 1 times 7. Subtract 8 minus 7 is 1 and 4 will come. 7 how many times is 14? 7 2 times is 14. So 12. So in 12 weeks there are 84 days. Now question number 18. Question number 18 says 1 hour and 25 minutes equals to how many minutes? So let's see. 1 hour. 1 hour has how many minutes? 60 minutes. We all know that 1 hour has 60 minutes. Is we can see from a clock 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2. This is a long hand and this is a short hand. So when the short hand goes from 3 to 4, the long hand moves all the way from 12 to 12, so that is 60 minutes. So similarly, 25 minutes, we just add 25 minutes to the 60 minutes. So when we convert hour to minutes, it will be, we'll add 5 and 6, 85 minutes. So 1 hour and 25 minutes is 85 minutes. The correct answer will be C. For 19, we see that the question is, for every multiplication fact there are 2 division facts. Okay, for every multiplication fact there are 2 division facts. So you should know this, there are 2 division facts. And this one is an easy one. 1 quintal equals to 100 kg. 1 quintal equals to 100 kg. So if it was given 1 ton, so how many kgs? It will be 1000 kg. Okay, 1 quintal is 100 kg and 1 ton is 1000 kg. This is just for your reference. Okay, so with this we have solved a sample paper for maths, and you can see what is the difficulty level. So we'll be discussing each and every topics in detail from the next class. So please stay tuned, please like, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.